Hello there, thank you so much for joining me here today. You found me on the Colorado Springs Patriot Program. It's a program that here at Vantage we put together for our military members here in the community. As you know, we're surrounded by many military installations, and we put together this amazing program on top of your VA loan benefits. And today we're going to talk about the top 3 VA loan points that you should know. I'm going to go over 3 points that most military members don't know about and sometimes don't even hear about until they get deeper into the process. And so, guys, who am I? My name's Jose Medina. I'm owner of Vantage Real Estate. I'm also author of the Ultimate Guide to Colorado Springs, What You Need to Know Before Contacting a Real Estate Agent, and also I've served 5 years prior as well. And so this program, the Colorado Springs Patriot Program, is very near and dear to me. Guys, I'm going to be less than 5 minutes on this segment. I know we're all busy, and so anything more than 5, you'll probably lose your attention to this. So let's get started real quick. Point 1, disability. Regarding your VA funding fee. All right, so most people don't know about this, but obviously if you're retired out of the service because you became disabled, you're more than likely to receive more than 10% disability. What this means to you guys is real simple. Your entire VA funding fee will be entirely waived. That's right. Won't be added to the loan, and it's a benefit to you. That's part of the your VA loan, so that you know. And so the reason I bring this up is because not too long ago, I don't know how it occurred, but we were working with a loan officer. Unfortunately, it was not someone that I worked with directly. It was someone that the military member had chose, and so for whatever reason, this was not applied to their loan package, and so they lost out on that. And so I want to point this out. This is something that benefits you guys. Point number 2 is debt reduction. Oops. Regard up to 8%. All right, this is associated with your loan. When you go under contract, your agent is going to negotiate for you. Hopefully seller concessions. In other words, the seller's going to pay a certain amount of monies towards your loan closing costs. And so typically it's 4% of the sales price, and the other 4% will go towards personal debt. Okay, it could go towards, let's say credit cards, maybe paying off a vehicle. In some cases, how I use this to your advantage is if you're in a lease and let's say you have 6 months left, and if you break that lease, you need to pay an additional $2,000. We'll ask the seller out of this 4% to pay that lease off, and it's a win-win. You'll end up breaking that lease and moving into your new home sooner than you thought. And then last but not least is purchasing prior to your ETS date. Making sure that you purchase the property prior to your ETS date. Prior to ETS date. Now, this one here, guys, very important. This last one here, I'm discovering as we do more and more transactions with our VA military members, is that we'll have soldiers that will want to purchase less than 6 months, or less than a year I should say, prior to ETS. And so I'm going to read this off here because it's a little tongue twisted. If you have less than 1 year remaining until your ETS date on the day of closing, you will either need to be eligible to re-enlist and sign a letter that states that you're intending to obviously re-enlist, or you'll have to have a job of some sort that demonstrates that once you get out, that's already in place. And so what we're discovering, guys, is we have all these amazing military members that are excited to purchase but less than a year of their ETS date, and you will not get approved. And so if you knew that, if you're right now in that position, and you have more than 1 year, and let's say you have, 14, 15 months out before your ETS date, and you're planning on getting out, all right, now is the time to purchase. And so a lot of the military members that I'm working with were highly disappointed they did not know about this last one, okay? Guys, listen, I would love to get on the phone with you, set up an appointment, have a discovery session of what it's going to take to purchase in today's market. There goes my phone. And we're almost up on 5 minutes here. Reach out, click on the link below. Also, as an added bonus, I'm giving away my free book, The Ultimate Guide to Colorado Springs Real Estate. Over 200 pages of information on what you need to know before contacting a real estate agent. And 2, my VA Guaranteed Homes Loan Guide outlines everything for you. Look forward to meeting you guys. I can't wait to assist you with your real estate needs. Talk to you soon.